Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down and let me quickly change the mode, so I will be able to present you the ringtones. And scroll down, as I said, to this ringtone section. And the first option here is connected with the ringtone for incoming call. So let's tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top, the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, Add Ringtone, which means that you can choose something from your own files. If you've got something, for example, recorded or downloaded, you will be able to find it somewhere here. And of course, if it is compatible, you will be able to set it as a ringtone. But let me go back, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So for example, this one, and let me volume it down. And basically this is how it works. So just tap on it and decide which one you like the most. So let's pretend I want the Savannah to be applied. Make sure that it is marked and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. It is notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.